Say hello. So it's a Friday afternoon and it's lovely weather today. The Mosam is so good today and it's raining. And definitely, if you want to see snowfall, there is a chance of a heavy snowfall in Masuri. It must have started in Tirunelveli and other places. And I've seen snowfall when I was in Cardiff, so I'm not really attracted towards too much watching the snowfall because I already watched it. But yes, in case I get a chance, I might go. But yes, it's raining outside and weather in Dehradun is absolutely beautiful at the moment. Talking about languages, like I usually speak in English, but my karaoke's are in Hindi. So there's nothing against any language. If I say Hindi is a beautiful language, amazing language, then English is actually too beautiful and too amazing language. That's the reason I speak it. And there's no people tend to think if you speak in English, you are faking accent. It's not about that. It's my natural English, which is like this. And I really love talking in English. There's nothing against Hindi. Hindi से मुझे कोई problem नहीं है. मैं हिंदी में भी बात कर सकता हूँ. That's not an issue. So let's continue. Before I continue, think about what I want to do today. A beautiful quote in English, which really defines life, which I want to say today. For me, this is the quote of this Sunday, and I wanted to come on Sunday, but the weather is so good, it's raining, I can't go out, so I felt like let's do it today. So today's quote for me, this week's quote today for me is true happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future, not to amuse ourselves with either hopes or fears, but to rest satisfied with what we have, which is sufficient. For he that is so wants nothing. The greatest blessing of mankind are within us and within our reach. A wise man is content with his lot, whatever it may be, without wishing for what he has not. It is widely attributed to Seneca and reflects themes that appear throughout his philosophical works. So it's very important. What you have in life, you have to be content with that. That's what life is. Now you can go and sit and enjoy your time. Yeah. So that's what life tells you, that true happiness is basically to enjoy the present. Just enjoy the present and not depend much upon the future. You can plan for the future. And also, a wise man is content with his lot, whatever it may be, without wishing for what he has not. What you don't have, don't wish for that. What you have, wish for that. Care for that. And a very important thing about life in general, we live in this world, yes, so we need to know what's happening in the world. We live in India, and I'm currently in India, so yes, it's important for us to know what's happening in India. But actually, where we live in our hometown, and what matters most is what's happening around our town. So if around your town certain things are affecting you, then it has to affect your life. Otherwise, you can learn from what's happening in the world or what's happening in India, but what matters in your life is what's happening around you. Last few years have taught me a lot about life in general. Like I can now manage my own food. Yes, there are people around who can cook, but I can manage my food. I can clean my room. I do most of the things by myself. And there is a misconception among people that most of the guys are live like kings, and it's not true. It's with selective few category. Most of the guys are working very very hard in their life, day to day life. It's your misconception which no one can change, and probably the role it has to play the role with the movies. We tend to take movies. Yes, movies can be real. Movies are real, but the fact is that reality happening now? Is that happening? Reality happening in your town with you where you are living? No, it's not happening. So you can learn and enjoy the movie and take the positives out of that, but at the same time, it's not happening in your real life. That's what life teaches you. So today, this weekend, I also did my gym in the morning, and there's a difference. Yeah, I can't do early morning gyms. I prefer evening gyms because there's a crowd, and singlism me wants to see people. But the benefit of doing morning gyms is that in the morning gym you get the benefit that you have the entire day, and you can do anything else, and you can go somewhere else. You can enjoy your time. So there are benefits of doing morning gyms. So let's begin. Anything else I want to feel? Yeah, it's given me a feel that next 6 months is going to be a time for T20 cricket. Yeah, there's so much of T20 cricket in general. So looking forward to that as well. So let's continue and let me burn my stress. So you can follow me on Rohit Wandering Stallion on YouTube, and also on the Star Maker. I have my IDs 621125095526. And first up, पहला करोगे जो मैं करूँगा, क्योंकि मैं जैसे मैंने कहा कि most of the people in this world live in two languages. One is English, one is Hindi, and of course, I won't say Hindi. I would say whatever is your regional language. Like I didn't live in Punjab much, although I'm a Punjabi, but we tend to listen Punjabi a lot. Like people from South, they have their local language. So your life is mostly affected by your local language and English in primarily. As I said, your local language is beautiful and amazing, which in my case is Hindi and Punjabi, but the more beautiful, the more amazing is this language English. That's why I use that when I'm saying about my thoughts or something. But when it comes to karaoke, I can't do good English. Karaoke is to burn my stress. I prefer in Hindi. So let's do one which is for this Mausam, amazingly sung by an amazing Arijit Singh ji. I'm just burning my stress. You can follow me on the Star Maker. I'm ID 621125095226 and also on Rohit One Stallion on YouTube. Here I begin. Hopefully, I guess system doesn't hang up and everything goes well. तुम आँख मूंद के पी जाओ जिंदगी के सर कि एक घूंट में मुमकिन है बदमजा ना लगे जो डूबा है तो इतना सुकून से डूबो कि आस पास की लहरों को भी पता ना लगे ज़माना लगे ज़माना लगे ज़माना लगे ज़माना लगे तुम्हारे शहर का मौसम बड़ा सुहाना लगे मैं एक शाम चुरा लूं अगर बुरा ना लगे तुम्हारे बस में अगर हो तो भूल जाओ हमें तुम्हें भुलाने में शायद मुझे ज़माना लगे ज़माना लगे ज़माना लगे तुम्हें भुलाने में मुझे ज़माना लगे ज़माना लगे ज़माना लगे तुम्हें भुलाने में मुझे ज़माना लगे ना जाने क्या है किसके उदास आँखों में ना जाने क्या है किसकी उदास आँखों में वो मुँह छुपा के भी जाए तो बेवफा न लगे वो मुँह छुपा के भी जाए तो बेवफा न लगे तू इस तरह से मेरे साथ बेवफाई कर तू इस तरह से मेरे साथ बेवफाई कर कि तेरे बाद मुझे कोई बेवफा ना लगे ज़माना लगे ज़माना लगे तुम्हें भुलाने में मुझे ज़माना लगे ज़माना लगे ज़माना लगे तुम्हें भुलाने में मुझे ज़माना लगे So I burned my stress with this one. And when I talk about singleism, singleism is mostly when you are, especially when you are, it's raining now heavily. तुम्हें ज़माना लगे. It's Mausam time. It's a very, very beautiful track. As I say, mostly in singleism, when you're a 1990s kid and you are singleism, it takes a lot of time. If you have a crush on someone, it takes a lot of time to forget that person. That's normal, even naturally, with most of the guys, and there is a misconception about guys in general. So it's a normal, natural. Most of the guys take a lot of time when they need to forget someone. So I'm just back in a second. This video is on. Just a second, I'm back. तुम्हें भुलाने में शायद मुझे ज़माना लगे, ज़माना लगे, ज़माना लगे, तुम्हें भुलाने में ही मुझे ज़माना लगे. Once more, I'm doing a track from amazing movie Sajan, which is a lovely track, which is the old track, which hopefully you like. Till my channel is not blocked, I really enjoy doing it to burn my stress. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है. पर सामने जब तुम आते हो, पर सामने जब तुम आते हो, कुछ भी कहने से डरता है. ओ मेरे साजन, ओ मेरे साजन, साजन साजन, साजन साजन. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है. कितना इसको समझाता हूँ, कितना इसको बहलाता हूँ, कितना इसको समझाता हूँ, कितना इसको बहलाता हूँ. नादान है कुछ ना समझता है, दिन रात ये आहें भरता है. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है. पर सामने जब तुम आते हो, पर सामने जब तुम आते हो, कुछ भी कहने से डरता है. ओ मेरे साजन, ओ मेरे साजन, साजन साजन, मेरे साजन. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है. हर पल मुझको तड़पाता है, मुझे सारी रात जगाता है। हर पल मुझको तड़पाता है, मुझे सारी रात जगाता है। इस बात की तुमको खबर नहीं, ये सिर्फ तुम्हीं पे मरता है। मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है। मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है। पर सामने जब तुम आते हो, पर सामने जब तुम आते हो, कुछ भी कहने से डरता है। ओ मेरे साजन, ओ मेरे साजन, साजन साजन, साजन साजन, साजन साजन, साजन साजन। साजन साजन, साजन साजन, मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है. So probably this type of love doesn't exist these days, but yeah, that's what it is. And so what type of love exists these days? That's Gen Z, and I will go for this one, which is a beautiful track again. I love, and that's what I believe in. That's how I live these days, because that's what the reality of life is. That's what I'm going to teach you, and that's what, without telling you the name of the track, I'm just going to start that doing. And beautiful track, which is again I really love. This movie was actually I went to watch it with one of my friends. Didn't like the movie, but I love the songs of this movie, and that's where I will end today. Regularly on the Star Maker M ID is 621125095226 and also on Rohit Wandering Stallion on YouTube. मैं रेगुलरली आता हूँ स्टार मेकर ऐप पे, जहाँ पे मेरी आईडी है 621125095226, और उसके अलावा रोहित वंडरिंग स्टैलियन यूट्यूब पर भी वीकली वंस. इस हफ्ते फ्राइडे आ गया तो अब संडे नहीं आऊँगा मोस्ट प्रोबेबली. सो लेट्स डू ब्यूटिफुल ट्रैक which I really love and which I believe in, and I want to do it now and end the morning with this one. Hopefully I find it and no issues come. Hopefully I find it, yeah. Sorry, I'm not able to find the track. Oh, I'm searching it the wrong way. I found it. Yeah, it's there. Oh, it's short one. Sorry. Exit. Yeah. So I'm not able to find it.
क्रेडिट स्कोर 620 हो गया है, अब लोन की जरूरत पड़ेगी.
No, I don't know. The ad started playing again. So that's what I want to do. So as I said, that the weather is so good today. It's raining outside, and it's like a very, very beautiful weather today. And that's what the feeling of the weather is so amazing today. And as I said, there's a possibility of it has already started. So the weather is getting beautiful now. So what I'm trying to do is, okay, I'll sing it just like that. मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद की भी सुन ले कभी. मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद की भी सुन ले कभी. कुछ बात गलत भी हो जाए, कुछ देर ये दिल भी खो जाए, बेखबर दिन करे, इस तरह से कहे, शोर गूंजे यहाँ से वहाँ। सूरज डूबा है यारो, दो घुट नशे के मारो, गम तुम भुला दो। I think the track was here on this app. I don't know why I'm not able to find it. Hopefully I can find it. Roy songs. No, it's not there. It's taking a long time. Maybe I will not do this. मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी। Yeah, I found it. Yeah, here it is. Let's finish with this one.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Bluetooth issues, system issues. That's today and that's me today. New year, new beginning, living in the present. Positives of entire life and negative of the last 13 days, 20 days to anything. मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद की भी सुन ले कभी। मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद की भी सुन ले कभी। कुछ बात गलत भी हो जाए, कुछ देर ये दिल भी खो जाए, बेफिक्र धड़कने इस तरह से चले, शोर गूंजे यहाँ से वहाँ। सूरज डूबा है यारो, दो घुट नशे के मारो, रास्ते बुला दो सारे घर बार के। सूरज डूबा है यारो, दो घुट नशे के मारो, हम बुला दो सारे संसार के। Ask me for anything, I can give you everything, रास्ते बुला दो सारे संसार के। Ask me for anything, I can give you everything, हम तुम बुला दो सारे संसार के। अता पता रहे ना किसी का हमें, यही कहे ये पल जिंदगी का हमें। अता पता रहे ना किसी का, यही कहे ये पल जिंदगी का, कि खुद गर्ज सी ख्वाहिश लिए बेसास भी, हम तुम जिए है गुलाबी गुलाबी समा। सूरज डूबा है यारो, दो घुट नशे के मारो, रास्ते बुला दो सारे घर बार के। सूरज डूबा है यारो, दो घुट नशे के मारो, हम तुम बुला दो सारे संसार के। मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद की भी सुन ले कभी। चले नहीं उड़े आसमां पे कभी, पता न हो ये जाना कहाँ पे अभी। चले नहीं उड़े आसमां पे अभी, पता न हो है जाना कहाँ पे अभी। के भाई मंजिले है सब रास्ते दुनिया से हो जरा फासले, खुद से भी हो दूरियां। सूरज डूबा है यारो, दो घुट नशे के मारो, रास्ते बुला दो सारे घर बार के। सूरज डूबा है यारो, दो घुट नशे के मारो, हम तुम बुला दो सारे संसार। For everything I can give you everything, ask me for anything I can give you everything. Beautiful track, and I'm in the mood to do another one because this took me into a dance number type of feel. Yeah, so hopefully I can do one more.
Bluetooth issues.
मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी. So I'm not getting tired, and my stress is not fully burned. So hopefully I can find one more. Hopefully I can find that beautiful one, which is again a dancing number, and I want to leave with that. It's raining beautifully outside, and today I can't go to the work. Also, it's anyways. I'm doing WFH, work from home as a freelancer. So that's the fun of working as a freelancer. You enjoy that, and that's what it is. So here I'm doing a beautiful track next up. Let me post this one. This is this. I don't need to. Even if I don't find, I will just start it again. यारा तेरे सदके इश्क दिखा, मैं तो यारा तेरे सदके इश्क दिखा। अब यार परे परवाह मेरी, मुझे क्या परवाह इस दुनिया की। जग मुझ पर लगाए पाबंदी, मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की। तुम ही दिन चढ़े, तुम ही दिन ढले, तुम ही बंधु सखा, तुम ही इनक all the way, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही. Hopefully I can find the track. Let me post this one first. Hopefully I find that one. Yeah, let this one post first. मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद की भी सुन ले कभी। मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद की भी सुन ले कभी. So here I go. It's actually a female track, but I want to do. This one reminds me, I've never been to a beach in India. I was in Cardiff. I went to Barry Islands, yeah. यारा तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा, मैं तो आई जग तुझके इश्क सिखा. मैं तो यारा तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा, मैं तो आई जग तुझके इश्क सिखा. जब यार करे परवाह मेरी, मुझे क्या परवाह इस दुनिया की. जग मुझ पे लगाए पाबंदी, मैं हूँ ही नहीं उस दुनिया की. तुम ही दिन चढ़े, तुम ही दिन ढले, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा. तुम ही दिन चढ़े, तुम ही दिन ढले, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा. Every time, every minute of the day, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा. तुम ही दिन चढ़े, तुम ही दिन ढले, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा. दिल की तकती पर हूँ लिखती इश्का इश्का, जग क्या जाने दिल को मेरे इश्का किसका। दिल की तकती पर हूँ लिखती इश्का इश्का, जग क्या जाने दिल को मेरे इश्का किसका। जब यार गले ले सारी मेरी, मुझे क्या परवाह इस दुनिया की। तू जीत मेरी जग हार मेरी, मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की। तुम ही दिन चढ़े तुम ही दिन ढले, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही दिन चढ़े तुम ही दिन ढले, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही। Every time, every minute of the day, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही दिन चढ़े तुम ही दिन ढले, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही। बन के चाहत नजरों से खत लिखना लिखना, तू है जैसा मुझको वैसा दिखना दिखना। बन के चाहत नजरों से खत लिखना लिखना, तू है जैसा मुझको वैसा दिखना दिखना। वे सबक सुरूर के साथी है, मुझे क्या परवाह इस दुनिया। तू पास मेरे जग पास मेरे, मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की। तुम ही दिन चढ़े तुम ही दिन ढले, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही दिन चढ़े तुम ही दिन ढले, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही। Every time, every minute of the day, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही दिन चढ़े तुम ही दिन ढले, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही। Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Ram.
This one you might say I've never been to a-
Hare Krishna Hare Ram. Jesus Christ, Krishna, Vaheguru, everything. So let's say bye bye for now. See you again. It's lovely raining. Bye bye from my side. See you again. And a free advice, like actually I'm not. This is like a free. YouTube is not paying me anything. Star Maker app is not paying me anything. It's a free advice for everyone who wants to go to the gym. Competition is with you yourself. So whenever you go to the gym, every body is different. First of all, you need to realize your body is different from another person. So once you know that your body is different, you have to give your best, and you have to give 1 hour, 1.5 hours at the gym. 1.5. If you can't go to the gym, then give 2 hours. We have 1 to 2 hours to your fitness. Any activity it can be. Don't compete with others. Your body is different. Even if you walk slowly for 2 hours, 1 hour, that is also fitness. So that's it for the day. See you again. The only thing you can do for me is ask others to subscribe to me on Rohit Wanting Style on YouTube, and ask others to follow me on the Star Maker app ID 621125095526. Once a week on YouTube, regularly on the Star Maker app, and this week I'm on Friday. So definitely I'm sure I won't be coming again. It's raining heavily. It's beautiful weather in Dehradun. I've already seen snowfall, so might go to Mussoorie or Dhanolti. I'm not sure. I'm not greedy for that because I've seen snowfall. I can enjoy the weather here. But yes, bye-bye for now. See you again. तुम ही दिन चढ़े तुम ही दिन ढले, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही। मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता मतलबी। हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद की भी सुन ले कभी। Amazing weather and the line. हो जा जरा मतलबी, हम तुम्हारे शहर का मौसम बड़ा सुहाना लगे, मैं एक शाम चुरा लूं. Bye bye for now.